Guys, when the knock at the door bothered me. No. No.
Blooper.
Yeah.
Hi everybody, we're back in my kitchen again, and I'm doing a recipe that my brother-in-law gave me. Yes, Tracy's husband. They were young, just married, and he made this and I thought it was so good, so I'm going to share it with you. Right now I have this heating up, and I have a little bit of spray, non-stick spray, and I'm adding peppers. I'm going to add 2 breasts of chicken chopped, no bones, no skin. I'm going to keep cooking this till the chicken is no longer pink. You can add onions, you can add a little garlic if you want. I prefer not to. But yes, you could. As I said before, you could put this on Chinese noodles, or you could put it on rice, whatever you prefer. So I'm just going to let this sit and steam until the vegetables are pretty done. No. And now I'm going to attempt to open this jar. Oh, that's up there. Made some warm. And I'm adding the pineapple sauce, the DH pineapple sauce. Don't forget to recycle. Wash my hands. Okay. I'm going to lower the heat. Oh, I already did. And we're going to try to get that sauce all over everything. I'm going to add some pineapple. I prefer the round, cutting it and draining it. You could buy the tidbits if you want, but I find they're too small. So, there we go. I have just a little left in my pan, but that's okay. Don't need a lot. Stir it up. As you see, everything's nice and warm. And I'm going to fix her plate. I'm going to call the person who's going to deliver it for me. And that's it. I'll be back when I have the plate all set up for you. Oh no. Oh no. I'll have to clean it. Okay. I'll be right back. So, here's the stir fry with some Chinese noodles. I gave her a few fortune cookies, and just to top it all off, I'm going to just give a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. I hope you enjoyed it. I think she will. Anyway, I hope you come back, join us Oh, wait a minute. We haven't seen Zoe. Give me a minute. I'm going to get Zoe. Zoe!
Remember when I was filming the stir fry, there was a knock at the door, and I really didn't know who it was, but I'm so excited about what came to the door. I have to show you. I just have to show you. But to be honest with you, I can't do it like the professionals will say. Zoe was pretty excited too. Weren't you, Zoe? Oh. She was very excited. Okay, Zoe, I have to put you down, okay, so I can show them what it was? Yes? Good. I wouldn't have showed you, but you heard the knock at the door, so. I ordered this, okay? I can't help it, I'm just so excited. Okay, calm, okay. Chanel, Bella, my sister, when she goes to order stuff, she always asks me, hey, go on this site, go see if there's something you want. I'll order it for you. And, you know, go on the site, see if there's anything you want, and I'll order it for you. And I said to her, like I always do, what are you ordering? So we were talking and going through the website and everything, and she was telling me, I was thinking of ordering this. I said, oh, don't do that. Don't order that. You know. And eventually, we disconnected, said goodbye. And I wanted to buy her something because I don't think you know this, but I was in a severe depression and I needed something to distract me. And she was there for me, and she gave me all the support I needed to start this channel, and I'm so glad she did. So I wanted to thank her. Sorry. And I got her what she wanted. I'll show you. I hope I can open it. I don't want to ruin anything because, you know, see, this is all new to me. Let me see. Gotta open it. Gotta open it. Oh my gosh. It feels like Christmas and it's not even mine. I'm just so happy. Okay. I'm gonna try to be like Vanna White. No? Okay. I won't give up my day job. Oh, see, I'm not like the professionals. As you can see, I have to be super careful not to break it. It's the color I want to see. I want to show you the color. How come it doesn't want to open? It's almost like a safe. God, I don't want to break it. Oh, I think I got it. Or not. Oh my God. I got it. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. I think she's going to be really happy. I don't want to touch it in case, you know. So that's what came to the door. Sorry, I was excited. I have to show you. So I'm going to put it all back nice and neat and clean. But I won't do it while I'm on camera. And I'm just going to say that, again, I want to thank you all for supporting me. I really appreciate it. And as you can see, my tremors are getting worse. So it's harder for me to type. So I may send you a message, but it might be really short. And it does not mean, because it's short, that I didn't love it. Because I think we all work so hard on our channels that we all need to be supported. And I want to support as many people as I can. So please, 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 please support each other. Love each other, especially during this time. We really need each other. Anyway, so Zoe, come see Mama. So Zoe and I want to say so long, farewell, and all that other stuff. Bye, guys. Bye.